Our final presentation from the university is from the University Senior Vice President for Research, Kathleen Scotto. She also will be speaking both as an administrator and representative of the university and as a biomedical research scientist. Kathy.
Thank you, Richard. So good morning, Dr. Witkin, Witkin family, friends, colleagues. I'm especially honored to be here today and to have the opportunity to celebrate the amazing and inspirational Dr. Evelyn Witkin. Unlike many of you in the audience, I've never had the privilege of meeting Dr. Witkin in person. I think this is the closest I've been. But all of you, like all of you, I've been profoundly impacted by her work, and by the passion that she has brought to everything she's done. President Holloway and Chancellor Malloy have already spoken to Dr. Witkin's tremendous accomplishments, her contributions to genetics, and to our fundamental understanding of life itself. As a cancer researcher and as someone who's spent a career studying drug and stress resistance in eukaryotic cells, I can tell you that there is no question that Dr. Witkin's research on DNA damage and repair pathways in bacteria paved the way for entire new areas of study in humans and provided the bedrock upon which we've built much of our understanding, not only of the normal function of these pathways, but how their dysfunction can lead to immunological defects, neurological defects, cancer, premature aging, and so on. But what I'd like to do now is to just spend a minute talking about another gift that Dr. Witkin has given us, one that doesn't always receive as much attention, and that is the gift she's given to succeeding generations of scientists, particularly women scientists. So like Dr. Witkin, I'm also a girl from Queens, New York. I also went to an all-girls high school where they encouraged us to follow our dreams. In the 1970s, when I started my graduate studies at Cornell Medical School, right down the block from Columbia, by the way, I was one of only 2 women in my entering class, and we were told by the director that most women don't finish the program. There were so few women professors that you could count them on one hand without using all your fingers. So it didn't take the 2 of us very long to realize that we had our work cut out for us. So fortunately, we both had very supportive thesis mentors, and my mentor encouraged me to look for female role models within the biomedical field. Role models such as Barbara McClintock, Ora Rosen, Trudy Elliott, June Beidler, and of course, Evelyn Witkin, who had the courage to bring her fight for justice and equality to the public. These women, Dr. Witkin, were game changers for all of us who were trying to follow in their footsteps, excelling despite the barriers, pursuing their passion, and paving the road for all of us who followed. So Dr. Witkin, I'm sure you appreciate the far-reaching implications of your research for so many fields, but I hope you also realize the impact that you have had on the career paths of so many scientists, especially women scientists, most of whom, like me, you've never even met. So on behalf of all of us, I'd like to thank you for your courage, your brilliance, your perseverance, your passion, and especially for the example that you've set for all who have followed. Rutgers is very fortunate to be able to call you our own. Thank you.